With everyone trying to find the perfect way to make money or the best side hustle to make a passive income with, it's hard to tell which ones will fit with your lifestyle best. If you're a busy person, you probably don't have time to sit down every day and watch stocks or publish books online. Some of these methods take a little bit of work up front, and while worth it, it's just not feasible for everyone. Welcome back to I Publish Ghostwriters, where we are here to help you save money and start new streams of income from the comfort of your home. What if I told you that this was truly passive? As easy as signing up, and you'll start making money. You'd probably think it was too good to be true, and with good reason. Skepticism is reasonable, but Honeygain is the internet's best kept secret and possibly the thing you've been searching for all this time. Make money off the internet you're already paying for, even while you're not using it. Without going on forever, you probably want to know more, so let's get into it. What is Honeygain? Simply put, Honeygain is an app you install on your computer or Android phone that allows them to use your internet data to run jobs for their clients. They let other businesses use their network to gather data and market research. You're not selling your computer's power to mine Bitcoin, just the extra internet data that you're not using. They don't track your behavior, you're not being analyzed, you're allowing them to use the internet to conduct their research in your area, which helps them gather market research without user participation. Is it worth it? As far as passive income goes, there's nothing that beats set it up and go. I can't tell you if it's worth it for you. It's all depending on how comfortable you are allowing an application to use your computer or phone's internet without 100% knowing what they are doing. If that doesn't bother you, this may be worth looking into. It takes minimal setup and no routine maintenance or user input, along with your ability to refer other people to the program and earn a percentage of what they earn under your referral code. If you already have an excellent internet connection and don't mind others using it, this is a passive income for your busy lifestyle. They aren't collecting your data or stealing your information, just using your internet to gather research on their own, including search engine optimization and other market information for your area. If you decide down the line, and it's as simple as disconnecting from their service and going on your way. With this, you can earn close to 0.40 cents per hour, which can be close to $12 a month or $144 a year. These vary based on location, but it's a pretty conservative estimate. This could pay your internet bill on its own after that much time. How do you get started? Getting started is super easy, and the process is as user-friendly as possible. They want you to be able to sign up so it makes sense. You sign up for an account just like every other site, by providing your name, some information, and your email. Soon you'll get an email verification, and that will take you to your dashboard. The dashboard will look empty at first, but this will be your hub to see how your progress is going. Now, to get started making money, you'll need to set the program up on your computer or device next. This process will only take a few minutes. First, you're going to download their software on Windows or iOS, follow through with your installation wizard, and it will guide you through the process. If you're doing this on Android, you can download it manually, and their website offers step-by-step instructions. Now you're all set up, but how are you making money? Well, that's the best part. You can use PayPal to run your payouts once you hit $20. Rough estimates put that in about the range of about 48 days to give you an idea. See if you're eligible for a payout first. Once you hit 20,000 credits, a payout button should appear. You'll add yourself to the list, and they'll send you an email with further instructions to move forward. They use a platform called Autopilot, which you'll want to sign up with to put in your PayPal information and link the two for ease of use. It should take no more than 2 business days to receive your funds and continue to make money. Honeygain takes their clients' finances seriously, so if you have any issues with payout, they will happily work with you to get the funds sent your way. If you've been searching for a way to make money in the most hands-off way possible, Honeygain is there for you. You don't need to fiddle with it every day, and if you have a solid internet connection, it can make you a good amount of money on the side. Honeygain might be for you if you don't mind the idea of things running without you knowing what it's doing, but you can be comfortable with the fact that they aren't mining Bitcoin and they are not harvesting your data. If you're looking to prop yourself up with passive income, there's nothing more passive than something that works entirely on its own in the background. If you're even a little bit interested, it's worth checking out. If you liked this video, make sure you check out the other videos on the channel. We're always looking to provide you with ideas, techniques, and advice to help you make more money, be it through an online business or streams of passive income you can create on a dime. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications to never miss out on a single video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.